Imagine the music played by many stars, planets, and moons, playing together in perfect harmony. All the celestial bodies, from the smallest moon to the largest star, join in this great music, producing endless music throughout the universe. The scale and complexity of this cosmic composition is beyond human understanding. In good weather, however, one part of the orchestra has baffled and fascinated astronomers for centuries: the exoplanets. These are natural planets, but unlike the known planets in our solar system, exoplanets are hidden within the Milky Way. It revolves around distant stars, which our own sun cannot. The interesting thing about these mysterious worlds is that among the many planetary objects there is an exoplanet similar to Earth, which is called the big brother of our planet. This intriguing yet mysterious exoplanet has captured the imagination of scientists. One of the more interesting objects is Proxima B, a planet just 4.2 light-years away. Thanks to the James Webb Space Telescope, humans are getting closer to unraveling the mysteries of these distant bodies and understanding the complex nature of their atmospheres, surfaces, and ability to host life. Now, imagine your mind traveling across the vast expanse of our galaxy, the Milky Way. This colossal structure, made up of billions of stars, planets, and other celestial objects, is home to an astonishing number of exoplanets, more than a quadrillion, which is a 1 followed by 15 zeros. To put this unimaginable number into perspective, if each exoplanet were the size of a single grain of sand, we would not only be able to fill the entire Grand Canyon, but we would also have enough sand left over to create a brand new geological monument on Earth, a Grand Canyon 2.0 that would stretch an impressive 4 miles. But the most surprising fact about these exoplanets is that approximately 20% of them have been classified as Earth-like, based on their geological and atmospheric structures. This means that 1 in 5 of these planets has the potential to be similar to Earth, raising the possibility that somewhere out there, we could find a true twin of our home planet. And that's not all. Next to these planets, there are 4 other moons. These rocky satellites, like our moon, are caught in planetary dances with their parent planets, which rotate through the cycles of the atmosphere. The possibility of seeing another celestial body in space, a shelter for life, supporting life, is not a distant dream. The world is big, mysterious, and has many ways for us to explore and discover. As we begin to understand the vastness of the universe, it's time to introduce an instrument that will help us explore the incredible details: the James Webb Space Telescope. Think of this eye-popping artist as a master artist with the best descriptions of the world's countries. This amazing device, called the Sherlock Holmes of the sky, is a telescopic lens that exceeds the capabilities of the latest optical technologies. The main mirror of the James Webb Telescope, which is 6.5 meters in diameter, is 2.7 times larger than the Hubble Space Telescope. Imagine the kind of information it can capture, identifying the halo of the moon from stars billions of light-years away and analyzing orbiting planets. What makes the James Webb Telescope so revolutionary is not only its great observational power, but also its advanced technologies, including infrared sensors and spectrographs. These tools allow a telescope to do more than just observe distant objects. It can detect and analyze the unique light signatures emitted or reflected by celestial bodies, helping scientists decipher their atmospheres, chemical composition, density, and mass. The James Webb Telescope serves as a predictive tool, able to determine whether a planet has essential elements such as water, carbon compounds, or even oxygen. This telescope is not an ordinary observer in the world. It is analytical expertise that can change the way we understand the world. This is a giant leap forward in space exploration, far beyond what the Hubble Space Telescope has achieved. If you were amazed by Hubble's discoveries, get ready for a new era of celestial discoveries. As we expand our view of the universe's complexity, it is worth focusing on one planet, Proxima B. Since its discovery in 2016, this mysterious planet has become a for astronomers and astrologers. Like a Shakespearean actor full of complexity and contradictions, he has amazed scientists with his ability to sustain life and its likenesses on Earth. Just 4.2 light-years away, Proxima B is our closest celestial companion. Considering this distance, if we could travel at the speed of the moon, the fastest speed, it would take only 4 years to reach Proxima B. The same part, or for your best show, first time to cancel. But proximity alone doesn't make Proxima attractive. In a universe more than 93 billion light-years from end to end, finding a nearby planet full of promise for scientific discovery is like finding a diamond in the rough. On a mountain the size of Mount Everest, this diamond, Proxima B, has the potential to unravel mysteries about the world beyond Earth and could change our understanding of the universe. Renew our understanding of the world. Its proximity to Earth is one of the reasons scientists are so excited. That's because Proxima B is sending important signals that Earth 2.0, a planet that mirrors our own in other ways we can't even fathom right now. Proxima B orbits in what astronomers call the habitable zone of its host star. This is the zone where liquid water should be, not too hot, not too cold. The idea of liquid water on Proxima B opens up a world of possibilities. Think of great waterfalls, meandering rivers, Great Lakes, and even oceans as deep and mysterious as the Mariana Trench on Earth. But before we jump ahead and start planning our Proxima B vacation, let's consider some of the planet's unique features. For example, a day on Proxima B is 11 Earth days. Imagine waking up to a sunrise that takes days to show and the long golden hour before the sun reaches its peak. Then, after a long evening, the sun took several days to complete its descent. Although this sounds like a photographer's dream, it is important to the climate and lifestyle of the world. How do human biological systems, linked to Earth's 24-hour day, adapt to long periods of light and darkness? Do we need more food to survive these long days? Are our sleep cycles staying the same, or are they changing dramatically? Life on Proxima B is both familiar and alien, with challenges and opportunities that test our understanding of what makes the planet habitable. Since we have never visited these distant worlds, you may wonder how we can get accurate and precise information about them. The James Webb Space Telescope has many advanced tools that allow it to do more than just a telescope. Think of it as a Swiss Army knife that can perform many tasks with precision and expertise. In many ways, it is a full-fledged research lab that runs on space. Thanks to its cutting-edge technology, astronomers can do more than just observe planets from afar. They can analyze them in incredible detail, using advanced spectrographs to break down the light emitted or reflected by these planets. Every element or compound in a planet's atmosphere interacts with light in a unique way, either absorbing or emitting light at specific wavelengths. By studying these light patterns, scientists can perform what is essentially a remote biopsy of these distant celestial bodies. They can determine not only the planet's atmospheric pressure and density, but also whether it contains essential elements for life, such as water, carbon-based molecules, and oxygen. This isn't just astronomy, it's space forensics, where scientists actively seek out clues about these ancient worlds and their potential to host life. The James Webb Space Telescope is not just an eye in the sky. It is a highly specialized laboratory and detective all-in-one. With its capabilities, we can now turn speculation into confirmed discoveries as it revolutionizes our understanding of what might exist beyond our tiny blue planet. Just when you thought the cosmic narrative couldn't get more exciting, the story takes an unexpected turn. In what feels like the climax of a science fiction thriller, researchers using the James Webb Space Telescope detected something extraordinary from Proxima B, a signal so unusual that it immediately sparked widespread interest and debate. This signal, which some have labeled a possible technosignature, was an electromagnetic emission with such complexity and precision that it raised the tantalizing possibility of an advanced civilization existing on Proxima B. For a moment, the whole world seemed to hold its breath, and I wondered if this was the long-awaited sign that we were not alone in the world. Could this sign be a sign of extraterrestrial life? But once the sign was found, it disappeared and never came back. The idea is so mysterious that scholars and researchers wonder about its meaning. Was it just a temporary weather phenomenon? A random combination of forces? Was it more conscious or intentional? Is it a signal message from the known world or a manifestation of an unknown cosmic force? The sudden disappearance of the signal adds another layer of intrigue to the mystery of Proxima B, leaving more questions than answers. Is this just a sign or a hint of a complex space story that we are only just beginning to uncover? But the story of our world exploration is not over yet. In fact, new chapters are being written as we speak. And this time, it's not just scientists who are leading the way, but Harvard researchers are taking the search for extraterrestrial life to the next level. These scientists are not limited to deciphering the signs and characteristics of distant planets. They're pushing the boundaries of what's possible by turning the James Webb Space Telescope into a world-class night vision telescope. Their goal is universal. Their goal is to find artificial light sources on distant planets, dark regions, and bright regions. The features of this are amazing. Imagine the lights of foreign cities shining in the darkness of a distant world, like the lights of an advanced world. By searching for the artificial light produced by these peoples, scientists hope to find signs of intelligent life, similar to how cities on Earth glow when seen from space. Imagine looking out over the vast ocean and seeing the glitter of outer cities humming with the activity of civilization. If successful, this search could be the definitive proof that we are not alone in the world. The James Webb Space Telescope, once again, is at the forefront of this cutting-edge research, helping us to see farther and deeper into the mysteries of the cosmos than ever before. If you enjoyed this exploration of the universe, be sure to like and subscribe for more.